Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day couples edition, just to give you guys some inspiration and show you guys what I have been eating to lose weight the past couple of weeks. It has been very effective. I've been doing a low carb diet with my husband and we're noticing results, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Especially as accountants who sit down all day, we need to be eating healthy. So enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. It would really help me out, and I will see you guys later. Do you not know that your bodies are a temple of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your body. 1 Corinthians 6:19 through 20. This day, I woke up around 9 or 10 a.m. So I'm just boiling some eggs and am also making myself some oatmeal. I have noticed that when I have oatmeal in the morning, it keeps me full so that I'm not too hungry throughout the rest of the day. And of course, I'm pretty sure this is organic from Wegmans. I love Wegmans. And what I do for my oatmeal is just have it with some fruit. And here I'm just having it with some strawberries and blueberries. And I had already washed the fruits before putting them in the container, but I just like to rinse my stuff again. So I highly recommend you guys do that. And now going back to my oatmeal, I like to add some milk to it, and I use the lactose-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant. So the camera had cut off when I was putting the fruit on top, but that's pretty much what it's looking like. And then I just go ahead and top it off with 100% organic raw honey, and it tastes delicious. And then for drinks, I'm going to have myself a cup of tea, and I'm making a mocha coffee or mocha hot chocolate for my husband, and using my new Keurig, which I love so much. I'll have it linked below if you guys are interested. And he loves the foam. I don't know why, so I put all the foam for him. And here's my husband's breakfast. He has boiled eggs, some tomato, and bacon. And there I just added some fruit for him that was left over, and added some parsley to make it cute. And for me, of course, I am having oatmeal. I just think having a good balanced breakfast really has been helping us with energy in the morning to get things done. And so I highly recommend making good breakfast, and this did not take long to make at all. So now for lunch, I'm just going ahead and shelling the remainder of the eggs that I had boiled early in the morning, and I'm just cutting that in half, adding some Gouda cheese and some avocado, and that is my lunch. Just need the fat and the protein, and of course I am doing low carb, and I think this is also a very filling meal. This is a lunch for me, but it could be a snack for other people. Super filling and delicious. And to top my eggs off, I just topped it with salt and paprika and some parsley flakes. And my husband, he's having leftover chickpea penne pasta, as well as some apple slices, and we're both just drinking water. We were here watching Trevor Noah and just laughing. So for dinner, we are going to be having tacos, and here is everything that I'm using. The wrap was for my husband, and then I'm just going to be making a taco salad for myself. So starting off with rinsing all of my vegetables and then just gonna chop away. So I'll just let you guys watch. And now I'm just going to go ahead and brown my meat. And guys, I have been loving this low carb life. When we were living at my brother's house, we were kind of doing keto, but more so low carb. And then being here for the past few weeks at our new place, been doing the whole low carb and really watching what we're intaking in terms of even groceries. And it's made a huge difference. Like, I've been noticing weight loss, and even on my husband as well. So definitely, I highly recommend cooking your own meals and just being mindful of what you're consuming. And here is the final product now. Here is the beef, and yeah, gonna enjoy my taco salad. And hubby, he's having it with the low carb wraps. And let me know if you guys want me to make more cooking videos, or if you want to see more what I eat in a day. So maybe on my cheat days, we eat healthy during the week, and then on usually Saturdays and Sundays is our cheat day. And I was just so tired after the meal. It was so good. Okay, so it's much later now. It is around like, it's 10 o'clock I think, and I know like our day started late anyway, but we're just winding down, and all we're gonna have is some tea. I'm gonna have some peppermint tea, and then have some Biscoff cookies. Yeah, I know like the Biscoff isn't that healthy, but it's okay. I'm gonna treat myself, just relaxing. But overall, the remainder of the day ate pretty healthy, and it's been working. So this is pretty much what we eat in a day as a couple. I hope this inspired you guys for your healthy journey as we're ending out the year. Our anniversary is coming up, and we're going on vacation, so we need to look good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what was your favorite thing that you saw here on the video, your favorite meal. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.